Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two smoke alarms. So on the left here, this is the Kidde. It's part number 210-26055. It has a 10-year sealed battery. Now on the right, this is the first alert. This is the 10-year ionization smoke alarm. So they're a little bit different in how you activate them. So the first alert one has this red plug. You're going to pull this red plug out. It's going to activate that sealed battery in there, and that way it'll be good for 10 years now. Now you want to put the date and the time you installed it, and now I can mount this. It's already activated without me mounting it. Mounting it's just going to help hold it in the position where you need it, like that. And it's got a simple press to test button on it. Over here on the Kidde, let's do a press to test. So they both sound about the same and the same loudness. This has just got two buttons. I found this one to work a little bit better as far as how to test it and silence it. This one seems like I had to press it twice, and then to hush it didn't really work. Now on the Kidde, to activate it, it's a little different. It's all about the mounting bracket. So when you put this in, it's going to rotate these things. That's what turns it on. So it has to be in this mounting bracket, and you have to turn it all the way to the right. You'll hear it chirp once. That means the battery is activated, and it's going to be good to go for 10 years now, it says. You'll write here on the date of install. That way, replace 10 years after. Let's go over dimensions. So the Kidde's got one about 4 inches apart. The first alert's got 2 different holes you can use, looks like. First one's about 3, about 2 3/4. The second one looks like it's about 3.5 inches apart. Overall, this one was about 5.5. This one's about 5.5. The unit itself is about 5, sticks out from the wall about 1.5 inches. Sticks out from the wall about 2 inches, and the overall of the unit is about 4 inches. They're both going to chirp at you to let you know when the battery is dead and you need to replace it. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.